Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.